welcome back to another one of my videos. So today we're going to be making an aesthetic intro using VLLO. So this app is available on both Android and I think iPhone. I'm not sure, but I'm making this on an Android. I was about to say iPhone, I don't know why. So I use an Android. I use an Android for this. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a sticker and I'm gonna choose my favorite one, which is the baby chick one. And then I'm gonna make sure it lasts until the end of the clip, and then I'm gonna press done all the way in the bottom, and then I'm gonna add some text. So my favorite font to use on VLLO is the daily makeup one, and you can see me here selecting it. I just really like it because of the cool the aesthetic vibes it gives me. So, and then I'm gonna double click in order to change the text. So I'm just gonna change the text to Chick Days, which is my channel name. So this is just in a sample intro, just showing you guys the easiest way that would be, because I don't want to make it too complicated because there's a lot of newbies out there like me. So when I first got VLLO, I was so lost with the complicated controls. When you click on the image, it shows so much stuff, and I'm just what? But don't worry, I eventually got the hang of it. I'm not an expert or anything like that, but I am getting better. So as you can see here, I'm slightly moved the baby chick up because the legs was meeting with the text. So now it actually looks pretty nice. I'm gonna choose a frame, and my favorite one recently is the computer one that VLLO offers. So there's a lot of them, but most of them are paid and you have to pay for premium. But as I'm broke, I can't pay for premium, so I'm just gonna use the computer frame one, and then I'm just gonna adjust it and make sure it ends to my clip. Okay, so then I'm just going to add another image. So I'm just gonna choose this other aesthetic image that I chose. So, and then I'm just gonna cut it a little bit, just crop it a little, not crop the image, but just make the clip shorter. And then I'm gonna extend the frame because I want the frame to last. But before that, I'm gonna add a transition. So VLLO offers VLLO has cool transitions, but I would only recommend it for the premium people who can actually buy premium. So I've just used a basic transition because I don't want to pay for premium. But you can make your videos on, to be honest, I use CapCut. I made this video using CapCut and InShot. I used InShot for the music and then CapCut for the wonderful transitions. It doesn't force you to buy premium, and it's really good. I recommend that. So then I'm gonna add the text to that one, and then so there we go. So I think I should add a sticker, but I don't want to add the baby chick sticker anymore because I want to make the other one maybe I should add a subscribe button. So I'm just gonna scroll down and look for a subscribe button because that's gonna look pretty, and to encourage viewers to subscribe. So if you guys are watching this, please subscribe right now. I don't want to see that subscribe button red, I want to see it gray. So this is so VLLO offers really cute stickers, and I really like this one. It looks so cute in 3D. So I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit. So there we go, and then I'm gonna adjust the text. So I realized that I should add the text on the bottom, and the subscribe button should be on the top, a little bit bigger. So that's what I'm doing in these clips right now. So after that, I just play it back and see how smoothly it is, and fix any dumb mistakes that I made. So sometimes I make mistakes, for example, the text only lasts 1 second, or the transitions don't really go with the vibe of the clips. So I just go back and fix those, and then after that I just make sure everything looks cool and okay. I'm just cropping it. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I mean, I'm not an expert at this, but you can find better tutorials, but this is just simple to make a simple one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.